A lot of you guys make fun of me for not having a lot of miles on my bikes. And you're like, CycleCruza, man, what's up? But you know what? I work from home, baby. You know, I don't have a regular 9-to-5 job like a lot of you Joes have out here. You know what I'm saying? So I don't have to commute to work at all. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of you guys out here, you know, commute on your motorcycles. That's how you guys, you know, rack up a ton of miles on your bikes. Otherwise, you don't really have a ton of time to ride because you only got the weekends to work with and a few hours after work. And for those of you that have families and kids, you know, they take up a lot of your time, so you don't have a lot of time to ride. For me personally, I'm taking care of a relative, running a business, and I've been getting a lot of business, and I've been working hard, so I don't have a ton of time to ride. But when I ride, baby, I put in a lot of hours when I do ride, man. But I'll tell you guys, I could never commute to a job, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I could never commute to a job on a motorcycle, and maybe why you shouldn't.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
It really sucks riding this Tuono out here and I can't speed on it. It sucks riding a fast bike slow, man. It truly does. Honestly, I'm missing my YZ right now. I love this bike too, man, but I'm so tempted to crank the heck out of the throttle and feel and hear this V4. Oh, man. But I can't. Cops have been trailing me, man. I don't know what it is, but this bike really attracts cops, man. More so than any bike I've ever had. My CBR doesn't even garner the attention of cops the way this does. I don't know why. I was getting ready to light up on the highway ramp, and I saw the cop in the corner of my eye, and sure enough, he followed me, and I kept it below speed limit, and then he went on and passed me. He was just waiting for me to mess up, man. I'm laying low, though. I'm just chilling out here. You know, I'm probably better off going ahead and getting me adding a Harley to the garage and just chill out here and feel that torque. And I see why a lot of you guys sell your sport bikes and you just get a Harley, man, and ride out here. It makes sense. And then take these sport bikes to the track for track only riding where you can really have fun. Because out here on the streets, man, it is dangerous anyhow. You know, you shouldn't speed out here. But anyways, the #1 reason why, you know, I don't recommend commuting on a motorcycle, and a big reason why I wouldn't, is because of traffic. Because when you ride to work, generally during business hours, if you're doing a regular 9-to-5 or 8-to-5 or whatever, you're at the peak times when there's a ton of traffic out there, and you get a lot of a-holes like I was when I used to work a regular job, and I'd run out of the house like Dagwood, running late every day, jetting out of the house, jumping the car, driving crazy in and out of traffic and trying to get to the job on time. And that's dangerous when you get people out there riding like that. And so, you know, and there's a ton of traffic, so anytime you're dealing with a ton of traffic, it's going to increase your risk of having a real fooked up day because of these cars these cagers out here. So that's one big reason. I'll tell you, that time that car nearly swiped me when I was on the highway, that was during rush hour at about 5:20 p.m. in the evening. And that was because that guy was in a rush to get home, man, because we had stop and go traffic and he was getting real irritated like a lot of people do. But that doesn't bode too well for us motorcycle riders. When you get people antsy like that and ready to fly by you, man, it could set you up for a real effed up day. But anyways, #2 reason is really honestly one of the biggest reasons why I could never commute to work, is because I would probably get ready to go to work, and I'd wheelie right past work, and I'd say, you know what, I'm calling in sick today. You know, when I get on my bike, man, I can't, it's hard for me to get off, man. I'm usually coming home late at night. It's hard for me to get off the bike, so I couldn't imagine trying to go to work and I just do a wheelie, like, yo, I'm calling in sick today. I'd probably end up losing a bunch of different jobs, man. It wouldn't work for me that way, guys. I don't know how you guys do it, man. But anyways, number 3 is that you leave your car out in the parking lot, guys. It's a high chance your bike can get stolen, even at work, even if you have security. I will tell you, especially if you ride sport bikes, sport bikes are so easy to steal, man. I'll tell you, they usually steal them in less than a couple of minutes. A couple of goons will get out of a van or some type pickup truck or whatever, and they'll pick that bike up, throw it in the back, and be gone in probably in less than a minute. And not only that, you'll get some a-holes at work that will could vandalize your bike. I'll tell you guys, in the past, when I had a real nice car and I come to work, every nice car I had ended up getting keyed, man, from some a-hole that I worked with that was jealous. That reminds me, when I had a Lexus SC400 sitting on 19s, I had that car hooked up, and I had this one dude I worked with, I felt that did it, was real jealous, man, and I feel like he keyed my car. But like I said, I've had a couple other cars in the past that got keyed. I couldn't imagine somebody, you know, vandalizing my bike. It could set me up for a real effed up day. Somebody let the oil out of your bike, or they you know, give you a flat. That happened to me one time. I was a supervisor. I worked at T-Mobile out in Colorado back in the day, and there was a guy I fired, this girl I fired, and her boyfriend came to the job and was so pissed off that he took a knife to my tire, man. And so that would really suck on your bike, to get that knife in the tire. It's not like a car where you got a spare you can throw on, man. On a bike, you know, your ass out. You got to get a tow. And so yeah, I don't know how you guys do it, man. But anyways, number 4, a big reason too, is when I go to a job, you know, like in the past, like I said, I don't do the jobs anymore. I'm a businessman now. But back then, I wanted to go to work clean cut. You know, I was a GQ type. I came up in there in my suit, clean cut. I used to get my hair cut every week. I came up in there sharp. I wanted to be, you know, I didn't want to come on there like no bum, man. You know, when you get on a motorcycle, guys, you throw the helmet on, your helmet's gonna get all smashed up at your face, everything. And if you got sensitive skin like mine, like in hot weather, your face get red. You get the lines of your helmet on your head and forehead or something, man, with some of the helmets. You got if you have longer hair, you got the helmet hair. So you go into the job looking bad. You got to go into the bathroom, clean yourself up. You got to take all the gear off. Yeah, so that brings me to number 5. You got to go in work early to clean yourself up when you get to the job. So that's probably the biggest reason for me, is like I said, I like to go into work sharp, clean cut, fresh. If I got the helmet and gear on and stuff, I don't feel clean cut and fresh going into anywhere, man. And it sucked to have to go in the bathroom and do all that cleaning up. So like I said, you got to go in early, and then you got to deal with traffic. I don't know how you guys do it, man. Some of you guys only have a motorcycle. This one dude I knew, he didn't have a car at all, and he would go and get groceries and dog food. He have a 50-pound thing of dog food on the tank of his gas tank riding around here. And I don't know how you guys do it, man, but that's how a lot of you guys rack up a ton of miles. And hey, good on you, man. That's good for you, but for me, that's not good. I don't want to do that. That's why I got my car, to do all the extra crap. When I get on my bike, I want to get out here and I want to have some fun. You know what I'm saying? Slashing. I don't want to be out here, you know, have to go into work. That's I couldn't imagine that. Like I said, I'd wheelie past work every time. I'd be like, I ain't going to work, man. I'm I'm calling in sick. And then at work they'll probably say, oh, that CycleCruza calling in sick again, man, on his bike. He must have did a wheelie past work. And then to get called into the office, you're like, hey, we gotta fire you, man. You know, you can't keep calling in work because you riding your bike all the time, man. But hey guys, like I said, good on you for you guys that do it, man. You know, bless you. I wish you the best. I wish you the best of luck. I hope nobody vandalizes or steals your bike. I wish the best for you guys, man. I'm out here in the Cleveland hood, baby. I love the gritty city every now and then. But like I said, guys, I wish you guys all the best. Stay safe out there. Man, this road is rough. Woo! I tell you, my CBR 1000 RR's Showa suspension is better than this Olin suspension on these rough streets. I tell you that, man. But anyways, for those of you guys who want to get my gear, like this new carbon, full carbon, lightweight helmet that I have is really awesome. I love it. This neck brace, my camel pants, leather pants, boots, gloves, all my gear. I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Gear, and that's links to all my stuff.
Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.